everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I have another haul for you guys. I was at Michael's today and they had a few things on sale, and I wanted to make sure I used that 25% coupon that was mailed to me because it includes sale priced items as well. And right now they do have a coupon for 20% online. But the mailer one is 25%, so had to take advantage of that. So I was there and I really went there to buy a specific thing, but ended up buying other things because they were on sale. So one of them was this decorative box, and it's a sea themed, as you can see here, and I just absolutely love it because it has this mermaid pattern. And this was $12.99 regularly, but they were doorbuster. I think this was part of the doorbuster, if I'm not mistaken. So I did pay $5.20 for this one. I can't remember if it was 50% off. No, it was 60% off, I think. Yeah. So that was $5.20. So pretty good, and it's a pretty big box. They had different kinds of boxes there, but this is the one that I really like because I like the inside. And so anyway, then I did go, the reason I went there is because I needed some of these embroidery hoop, and these are the 8-inch ones. I got a couple of them, and these were regularly $1.97, I think, was it? Oh, regularly $1.79, but with the 25% coupon, I got it for $1.34 each. So that's the main thing I went there for. But they had a lot of stuff on, like sales, like 50% to 60% off. I absolutely love this sachet. I bought a pack, I don't know, a few months ago. And I really liked it, but it's already kind of, the scent is fading already. So anyway, I decided to go get some more. And this one was also on sale. I didn't even realize it. So I actually got this for $1.50. Yep. And that's with the 25% percent off. So I think it was half off and then 25% on top of that. So love this. And then I just kind of looked around. I did get a few stamps and dies. So, but first let me just show you guys the Summer Fiesta. I decided to get these. These were 50% off. And I think I got some things from the Summer Fiesta. I can't even remember if I got the paper for this or not. Yeah, I can't remember now. I have to look at my stuff, but I love these flowers. Like, they just looked so fun to me today. So I decided to go ahead and get them, and these were 50% off. So I did get it for $2.50. And no, I'm sorry. I got this for $2.24 because it was 25% off as well. And then these, I love these, you guys. These postcard pads. You know, I got the backyard table ones, and I love these, so I had to pick them up since they were on sale. Shake your maracas. I think it's so cute. Fun. Fiesta like there's no mañana. Initially, I wasn't that crazy about this collection, but I'm loving it because I guess it's summertime now. So, you guac my world. That's so funny. I can definitely give that to my husband. And we do love Mexican food, so. And this one's a cute one. I could totally give this to my sister because she likes margaritas and she makes margaritas all the time. So this one actually came out to, since this was only 50% off, this one came out to, where is it? Oh, this one was $2.24. I'm sorry, this one was $2.24, and then this one came out to, gosh, why can't I find it? This one came out to $1.87. Yeah, so this was $1.87, you guys. So that was pretty cool. So these, I really love these, and these came out to $2.24. So I had to grab the other ones too. Now this one I saw there, it was, somebody must have put it there because they were probably trying to match this flower. And for some reason I thought it was part of the summer fiesta. I wasn't paying attention. I just saw crepe paper flowers and I thought they were cute colors. They kind of go with this. But this was not on sale, so I don't know if I'm going to bring it back. So I ended up paying $3.74 for this one because it was only 25% off. So I was kind of bummed about that, but these are so pretty. I don't know if I go back. I don't know if I'm going to bring it back because I kind of don't like to bring things back. So that was the only thing that I kind of paid a little too much for. Okay, now from the Poolrific, these were also 50% off, I think. And so I used the 25% coupon as well. So I couldn't help it, you guys. I just decided to get a few of these because these ended up coming out to be only about $4. $4.87, I think. No, sorry, the Poolrific was not 50. It's 50% off, not 60% off. 50% off, in case I said 60. Yeah. So these were on sale, so I couldn't help it. It came out to less than $5 for these stamp and die set, which isn't bad. So it came out to $4.87. So I got this one. They're just so cute. And I got this one. Really cute. I think my BFF Erica picked this one up a while back. And then I got this one because it's so cute. I figured, and you know, I made these recently with my punch, but I figured, you know, it's probably easier just if I just buy this. Because I do like the little stamps that come along with it. I just think it's fun. So, and this is so cute with the unicorn donut. So cute. So yeah, $4, less than $5 each for these. So I did get that. And then my probably best find is this one. This is from the Coastal Village, and this was all gone practically. There was like maybe one big paper left. Because again, I'm loving these postcards. Ciao Bella. This one says, I love that it's gold foiled. So you can definitely use this for shakers. Feel the breeze, so I can definitely use this for my summer projects. And this, you guys, and doesn't this remind you of that paper that I got recently, the Santorini? Wish you were here. Really cute. And this was, you guys, when I checked the checker, the scanner, it came out to 80 cents, and then with the 25% off, I got it for 60 cents, you guys, so I couldn't pass it up. I had to get it. And then the rest of the Poolrific. So again, this was $2. I mean, sorry, this was, how much was this one? Yeah, $2.24. So I went ahead and just got this one as well. Might as well, because they were all only $2, because they're super cute. And they are postcards, so you could always send them to people. And I decided to just go ahead and get this one since I got the die as well. And they're really fun. I just like, it's summer themed, so really fun. And then this one was so cute. So look at the ice cream. Donuts. How can I not? Your cherry sweet. And then look at the lemon. It's so cute. So $2. Yeah. couldn't pass it up. Okay, my camera turned off, so I was talking about the Cheeky Modern Pop being 60% off, as well as the backyard table, and plus additional 25% off. So this one I got for, how much did I get this for? It was $4.99. So I got this one for $1.50. And then I got this one also for, I think, wait, this is the Poolrific one. So this one was $4.99. So I got this one for a little bit more, I think. That one was $1.50, and then this one was, I don't know how much this one was, but it's something like that. Maybe $2? No, $1.87. This was $1.87, so can't beat that. $1.87. So I got that. I used my coupon on this one because I couldn't help it. I was looking at all the dies and I was like, I don't know. I'm just loving the popsicles, you guys, right now. So I went ahead and got this one, and it's because this one says, what does it say? Sweet? Oh, no. What does it say? Oh, so cool. I think it says so cool. No, that's not so. I can't read it. But that, you know, it comes with everything I love. Look, there's a little strawberry, there's a cupcake, an ice cream cone, and, I mean, it's just all here, and it says enjoy. So I just got it. And I thought I had a 50% coupon, that's why I got it, but when I got to the register, it was expired, and I was like, oh. So I ended up getting it for 40% off, and it still came out to like $5.99. So it's still not bad for a set. And then I got this one because I've been forever wanting to get these cherry. Every time it catches my eye every time I'm there, and I never get it. And since they were 60% off, I decided to go ahead and get it. And this one came out to, what is this one? The Cheeky Modern Pop. This one came out to, the stamp came out to $3.90. Yeah, with the 25% coupon. So $3.90, not bad, huh? And then this one came out to $3. And I just wanted to see if I can layer, see how this works out with layering the colors of the butterflies. So wish to give us an example here, but I just thought it was really cute. You know, you can just layer them. So there's 3 layers here for the butterflies, I think. I hope. So anyway, $3. So I couldn't pass it up. So, and then I got a couple of storage bins, like the iris bins were also on sale. I think they were part of the doorbusters. And then I have another haul for you guys, but I will do that on a separate video. Okay, guys, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Yeah, so take advantage of, you know, the sale right now, and head over to Michael's. Talk to you guys later. Bye.